Hello all and welcome. Today I'm going to go through the installation process of the Whitestone Dome screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Whitestone Dome screen protectors are very popular amongst Samsung device owners. This is maybe because of Whitestone's reputation of providing high quality screen protection. Once I've applied the screen protector, I will be giving a review regarding my thoughts of the overall product. The price of the protector is rather steep. However, when purchasing, you do receive two protectors to ensure that if something happens to the first one, you will be able to provide immediate protection to your display straight away. Before starting, lay out all of the tools that come within the box, so that everything is to hand for when needed. As you can see from the amount of equipment, this isn't your traditional two-step installation. It is extremely important that the workspace that you are working from is flat. The reason for this is so that the glue can spread evenly onto your display. A good way to test that your desk is level is to lay down a tube of glue. If it rolls, you know that you need to adjust your workspace. To get started, turn off your phone. Then take the long black stickers and apply them to the edges of your handset like so. This is to protect them for if they were to come into contact with any of the adhesive. We can now move on to the cleaning of the display. Firstly, take the wet wipe and clean off any dirt or grease that is visible. Next, use the microfiber cloth to remove any liquid left from the wet wipe. Following this, we now want to make sure that there is no dust on the screen. To do this, take the dust removal sticker and repeatedly dab the display. It is time to fit the rig to your device. If you haven't already used the rig, there are pre-fitted absorption pads inside. However, if you are applying your second protector, you will need to add them yourself. At the top of the apparator, there is a plastic tab. You will need to remove it to expose the adhesive of the sticker that will protect the speaker of your handset. Place the rig on top of your device. Press firmly down on the sticker that is protecting the speaker. Next, put the blue bridge into the allocated slots. Turn the nozzle at the top of the rig clockwise until it can't turn no more. Also, make sure that the blue lever is down. If needing to, give the screen a once over using the dust removal sticker, as it will be the last chance to do so. The next stage of the process is to release the adhesive onto your screen. Take one of the tubes of glue and unscrew the red lid. Do not unscrew the black lid just yet, as it will unleash the contents of the tube. Screw the tube into the hole on the bridge. When the tube is firmly fitted, unscrew the black lid. The adhesive will form a perfect circle. Leave for about 30 seconds to allow for the tube to be completely emptied. Then remove the bridge from the structure. It is now time to turn our attention to applying the glass. Take the protector and pull back the tab to reveal the side that will be fitted to your display. As you can see, the edges are curved to provide an accurate fit. Position the glass into the rig. The top of the glass will be lifted from the screen and will rest on the structure. Now insert the plastic weight into the allocated slots of the rig. Next, pull the blue lever, which will then result in the red compartment of the rig shifting, allowing for the glass to come into contact with the adhesive and fall onto your display. As you can see, the glue will then start to disperse across the entirety of the screen. Wait for about 2 minutes for the glue to reach to each edge of the display. Once the 2 minutes is up, take the weight from off the screen, as it is now time to complete the UV curing process. Plug the lamp into the mains and switch it on for 15 seconds and place it at the top of the phone. When the light turns off, do the same for the bottom and the centre of the phone. Remove the rig from off your phone and take off the black stickers. Use the wet wipe to give these areas a quick wipe over. Then complete the same UV process as before, though this time for 60 seconds instead of 15. You now have Whitestone's top quality screen protector firmly attached to your display. As expected, the crystal clarity of the glass is remarkable. It's comforting to know that the display of this marvellous device is now protected by one of the best screen protectors that is available on the market. There are a lot more steps involved in the application process in comparison to other glass protectors. This can seem rather daunting. Though do not let this intimidate you, as once you have applied one, it becomes easier for you when needing to apply the next. The reason for all of the steps is to ensure the glass is fitted accurately and securely. When wanting to remove the glass, it can be easily done by lifting it using either your nail or a credit card from off the edges. The glass is capable of cutting out 25% of blue light to protect your eyes and reduces the possibility of headaches. Within the box there are these soft pads that you stick to the back of the handset. The centre provides a detachable cleaner, allowing for you to clean your screen when on the go. Touch response has not been affected by the glass, enabling you to access your phone through your fingerprint without any issues. You can still add any case to the device. making sure you can provide 360 protection to your handset with the cover of your choice. Overall, I can see why this is a very popular choice of screen protection for Samsung users. Its quality is unmatched. Despite the lengthy application process, Whitestone has once again provided us with a high quality glass protector. If you would like to purchase this form of screen protection, I have left the link as to where you can find it in the description and comments below. For more content to keep you up to date with the latest and greatest smartphone accessories, please hit our like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.